Grade 1 from Apex Aquatics, Russell Golivan. Grade 2 from Lake Oswego, Roe Kirkpatrick. Grade 3 from Bellevue Club, Aiden Brown. Grade 5 from Lake Cascade, Jaden Simon. Grade 6 from Storm, Holly Warner. Grade 7 from OCA, Henry Lanowski.
Go Henry!
Grade 8 from Cascade, Clay Harper. Top qualifier 210.95 this morning from Bellevue, Nikolai Brendan. Mr. Referee. Meet record 159.83 set by Aaron Slim of Bellevue back in 2018.
Go Jaden! You can do it. Jaden, you can do it. Jaden, you can do it. Jaden, you can do it. You can do it. Jaden, you can do it. Jaden, push, Jaden. Push, Jaden, push, Jaden, you can do it. Jaden, you can do it, you can do it.
Riding halfway home, Nikolai Brendan, 102.46 and a half range, followed by Brown and Kirkpatrick.
Go Jaden, kick harder. Go Jaden, kick. Jaden, kick. Go Jaden, go. Let's go Jaden.
Still winning Kirkpatrick and Brown. Nikolai Brendan, 209.94, top of the second on the point bar. President, Holly Warner,